This session is in continuity to our previous discussions on cell formatting in Excel, and in this session we're going to learn about how to create up a new cell style in Excel. Now from our previous discussions, if I want my cell to look in a particular way, all I need to do is go on to that cell and go on to this drop box over here and select the type of cell style I want to apply to my cell. But consider this, what if none of these cell styles suit you? In that case, is there a possibility in Excel that we can create a new cell style of our own with predefined measures taken for our cell? Well, yes, there is. Excel provides you with this new cell style option button, and clicking on it will take you to this dialog box. In this dialog box, you can create up a custom format for your cells, and it begins with giving up a name to your style. So I begin with writing up that this is the Indeed test style name, and the next thing is I check on all the boxes over here which tells me that my style includes, for example, which all kind of formatting techniques. So I want it to look like, I want to format the alignment, I want to format the font, the border, fill, protection, and number itself. So go on to the format portion over here. Now this is a familiar dialog box that we have been looking previously to. It has 6 different tabs over here, and we begin with the number category over here. What if I want my number to look in form of a currency of dollar, and I want 2 decimal places out of it? So I select the currency dollar and 2 decimal places, and then move on to the alignment portion of it. Now what if I wanted my text to look up to come at a specific angle? So I can rotate this thing and come up to a level with which I want my text to appear. And then what type of font do I want for my cell? Let's say Arial black, and I want it to be in italic shape, and I want it to be of size 22, and the color should appear in the red color. And then I move on to the border portion of it. Again, this is what we learned in the previous sessions. I go on selecting one of the cell line styles, go on to a specific color, say green, then this. Now you can see my whole of my cell would appear like this. And what if I want a background color of to my text as this color? Having marked up all of these tabs, we will discuss about the protection tab later. Having marked up all the other tabs, we hit the OK button, and now the format has been stored at the back end, and I click OK on this. Then move on to cell styles over here, and you can see there is a custom format being mentioned over here, and clicking on it would format my cell, the B5 cell, in the way it has been shown over here. Now you can see there is a slant, there's a tilt to my whole data because I selected up a tilt. Now my data is being represented in the form of a dollar, and it has a comma after the 1000 number, and it also has 2 decimal places, and on top of this you have the border of green color, all with dotted lines. Now I know this example looks pretty much clumsy, but this is more of tell you how this whole thing works. So this is about creating up new cell styles in Excel. Thank you for watching.